You're scrolling through your streaming services, feeling that familiar pang of indecision. Netflix, the OG, with its endless library and familiar comfort. Or Neon, the newcomer, promising a curated selection of critically acclaimed films and shows. Which one reigns supreme? Let's dive in. Neon isn't your average streaming service. Forget endless rom-coms and reality TV marathons. Neon focuses on quality over quantity. Their library is curated with a discerning eye, prioritizing award-winning films, indie gems, and critically acclaimed series. Think of it as a film festival at your fingertips. You'll discover hidden gems, critically acclaimed foreign films, and thought-provoking documentaries that you might never encounter on a larger platform. Pros: unique and curated, Neon champions independent cinema and art house films, offering a truly unique viewing experience. No distractions. With a smaller library, you're less likely to get lost in endless scrolling and more likely to actually watch the films you choose. High-quality content. Neon prioritizes quality over quantity, ensuring you're always watching something exceptional. Cons: limited library. Compared to Netflix, Neon's catalog is significantly smaller. You might find yourself running out of options quickly. May not appeal to everyone. If you're a fan of mainstream movies, reality TV, or blockbuster franchises, Neon might not be the best fit. Netflix, the streaming giant. Netflix, the OG of streaming, needs no introduction. With its massive library, there's something for everyone. From binge-worthy series to classic movies, documentaries to anime, Netflix has it all. Pros: massive library. The sheer volume of content available is unparalleled. You'll always find something to watch, no matter your mood. Original content. Netflix has invested heavily in original programming, producing some of the most talked about shows and movies in recent years. User-friendly interface. Netflix is incredibly easy to navigate, with personalized recommendations and intuitive features. Cons: can be overwhelming. The sheer volume of content can be overwhelming, making it difficult to find something to watch. Quality over quantity. With such a large library, Netflix often prioritizes quantity over quality, leading to a mixed bag of content. Subscription fatigue. With so many streaming services available, the cost of a Netflix subscription can start to add up. So, which one is better? It depends entirely on your viewing habits. Choose Neon if you value quality over quantity, enjoy independent cinema and art house films, and want to discover hidden gems. Choose Netflix if you want a massive library with something for everyone, enjoy binge-watching popular shows, and value convenience and ease of use. Ultimately, the best streaming service is the one that best fits your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.